how can you create voice on your Talkie app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going, sorry, when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on create voice here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is, it's going to show for you like this here. So then here can you create voice here, and here add your voice from library here, and here can you select it. Then when you down, just click here on down here, then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.